Hello, my name is Wendy Arts, and this is a quick introduction as to how to find an article using the Ashford Library. From the student portal, you're going to want to click on this link here that takes us to the library. So once you click on there, you will be taken to this screen. And on this screen, you can type here the subject that you want to research. And we're going to type in humor in education for this example. And if you click on this box here, it will narrow in your searches to only scholarly and peer-reviewed articles. And I find for me, usually when I'm using the library, I'm trying to write a paper, and I would prefer to have only scholarly and peer-reviewed articles. So once you do that and you hit search, you have various answers brought up for you. So as you can see, there were 4,331 results for this particular search. So you might want to narrow in your results a little bit more. The first thing I like to do is change the date of my publication. My research generally needs to be more current, and so I usually will do 2000 or 2010 to 20 and 20. And then that'll just update the results and get you a smaller amount. And from there, you can play with different filters and narrow it into exactly what you're looking for. It's a very easy process and a great way to go. I've included a job aid to support the process. It's got visuals for you to help you work through this process to make it easier. Thank you.